So by default, when you start a meeting on Zoom, the host or the participant video will be on. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the host or the participant's video when joining the meeting. So you can automatically disable or enable this feature depending on your choice. So how do you do it? Simply go to your account on the upper right, then go down towards this profile, click in my profile. Under the profile section, scroll down on the left hand side and click on settings right below that. Now you will be taken over to the settings, and from here you want to click on meeting on the top there. Scroll down and you will find a section for videos, right? So you'll find a schedule meeting section, and here you can see it says start meeting with host video on. You can choose to enable or disable this. It's up to you. The same goes for the participants as well. If you want to start the meeting with their video on, you can enable it. If you don't, you want to go ahead and disable it. It does not mean that they won't be able to use it. They will still be able to use those videos, but this is only setting up how the meeting actually start and if it's going to be enabled by default or not. And that's it.